Good afternoon. My name is Chad Tyson. I'm one of the 2 welding instructors here at Compass Career College in Hammond, Louisiana. So it's a 6-month-long welding program. Very aggressive, 7 hours a day with a 1-hour lunch break. We're going to start you out from the very basics and build you up to be a pipe welder. So here at Compass Career College, me and the other instructor, we are in the classroom with usually anywhere from 4 to 10 students. The biggest class I think we've had is around 12 students. But we also get in the booth with these students and we weld with them every single day. We do have classroom time and hands-on training. You will be a combo welder when you leave here, which means you will be able to stick, MIG, flux core, and TIG pipe. All right, we are NCCER certified and we are also an AWS certified testing facility. Here at Compass Career College, we follow 4 core values: commitment, integrity, work ethic, and attention to detail. I have found that if you follow those 4 core values, you will be successful in this school and this industry.